Hey guys, welcome to Misha Design. My name is Ayana Gomez, and as always, to my subscribers, welcome back. So a while back, my mom thrifted and goodwilled some denim jackets for me. So I am going to pull them apart and do a patch denim project. So here's a quick tip to anyone that is now trying out patchwork and you want to be less stressed when it comes time to put your patch pieces together and create your big piece of fabric. When you're using pre-existing clothing to create your patch pieces, you're going to realize that a lot of those clothing has a lot of curves. When it comes to putting your patch pieces together, less curves means less stress. So get yourself a ruler, a marker, pencil, chalk, whichever you can see clearly on your fabric that you're using, and create straight lines and follow those lines and cut straight pieces. Another thing is your patch pieces don't all have to be the same size, the same length, they don't. So for example, I have one piece here that's long like a rectangle. I have another piece here that sort of looks like a rectangle, piece that looks like a square. It doesn't matter of the length or width. Once all of them has straight lines, it makes life so much easier for you, and it also gives you a nice crisp patchwork finish at the end. I'm quickly going to run through the things I'll be using in today's upcycle. So this is my patchwork denim piece of fabric that I created out of the 3 denim jackets my mom gave me that she thrifted from the Goodwill. I would also be using this pre-existing shorts that fits me pretty well. My sewing clips, fabric scissors, pins, something to mark with. I also have my different rulers and my measuring tape. My first step is to kind of fold the fabric a bit to get enough material to draw out my pattern. Right? So this is the back of my pants. And I have just enough fabric here. Take my marker and I'm just going to draw out this shape. Again, this is the back of my pants. So the first thing is to draw out my back pattern. So now that I have my 2 pieces needed, well 4 pieces needed for my pants, I'm going to take it to my machine and stitch by the crotch area and then just continue working until I complete my pants. I still have some scrap fabric remaining and I'm going to use this to create pockets, because to me a pants is not a pants unless it has pockets. So I'm going to do all of that, get my pants complete, show you guys the completed look, and then start working on a matching top to go along with my pants. Right here, I'm using my scrap fabric to get the lining piece that I need for my top. In my last video, I showed you guys a technique of how you could attach your main piece to your lining. That's the technique I'll be using today to attach my lining to this top. Before I go forward, I want to just give you guys a little word of encouragement, especially if it's the first time you are going to attempt a particular refashion. You're going to run into some problems, or you're probably going to make a mistake that is going to frustrate you, right? So for example, I ran into a little boo-boo, a little mistake here, and I got a little frustrated for a while. I had to put everything aside, push everything aside and dress back and try to figure out how can I rectify this problem. And on dressing back and trying to figure out the solution for my problem, I ended up redesigning the look of the top. And in redesigning it to fix my problem, I fell in love with the new design that I have to do. So please don't be discouraged. If you start to feel a bit frustrated when trying out the project, just push it aside for a while, dress back, take a breather, watch a movie, drink a cold one, whatever it may be, and just try to find the solution to fix the problem that you ran into. You'll be surprised of what you will come up with. So don't get frustrated. Now, because I had to change the design to fix the mistake that I made, I'm using the jacket button strip and button hole strip to be able to get in and out of my top easily. So I just wanted to show you guys how I am making sure I utilize every aspect of those jackets that I pulled apart. That's it for now, guys. Till next time, deuces.